Dan DeSantis here, owner of multiple Precision Garage Door franchises. My background has been in construction prior to this. It's grown fast and we are seeking employees immediately. Precision Garage Door Service is a great company to work for. We do provide great benefits and compensation. We look forward for you to coming and join our team.
My name is Tom Constantine. I came into Precision Garage Doors to pursue a career that was worthwhile and meaningful. My relationship with the owner, Dan DeSantis, is a great one. I've been with Dan for over 14 years. The business started as just him and I, and we've grown it into a very successful business with over 30 employees in 3 markets. The work environment at Precision Garage Door Service is like a family. Everyone sees each other every morning. We really get to know each other, and then we also get to go about our separate ways. Precision Garage Door is searching for applicants in 3 fields: sales, installation, and technicians. We're looking for self-motivated individuals that are fast learners and self-starters. For technicians, we're looking for someone with good diagnosing skills of problems. Installers are looking for someone with a good mechanical aptitude. And salesmen, we're looking for someone that's got good communication skills with our customers. The benefits of working at Precision Garage Door Service include a healthcare package, a retirement fund in the form of an IRA, paid holidays and paid vacation time, and also the use of a company vehicle to and from work. Precision Garage Door Service requires no experience to enter our field. We provide an extensive training program. Precision Garage Door Service requires a background check of all of our employees to ensure our customer safety and security. We also require drug testing and a check of your driver's license to make sure you've got a good driving record.
You can absolutely make a career here at Precision Garage Door. Don't wait, go to our website, click on the Career Opportunity button, apply, fill out the application. From there, you can get the ball rolling. We look forward for you to coming and join our team.